Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial point. I am Diyasha and today we'll be discussing about substitution method of solving linear equations. In my last video I discussed about linear equations and also discussed about comparison method of solving linear equations. If you haven't watched the video yet, please go and check the video. Link is in the description box. So let's start with today's video. Watch the video till the end. I hope it will help you all. So, substitution method is another way of solving linear equations and it is way more popular than the comparison method of solving linear equations. So, what we need to know about substitution method is that in this method also we will be provided with a pair of equation in terms of two variables. Again, one can choose the variables according to his or her own choice. Please note that in this case, one needs to convert any one of the equation in terms of any one variable present in the equation and then substitute that value in the other equation. This is the most important part of the substitution method. Now, one may ask me about the advantages of using substitution method. It is not only a very easy method but also very less time consuming if done properly. So, let us discuss the substitution method in details with an example. I have taken up the example as 2x plus 3y equals to 7 and 4x minus 5y equals to 3. Now we need to solve these two equations and need to find out the values of x and y. I have marked the equation 2x plus 3y equals to 7 as equation 1 and 4x minus 5y equals to 3 as equation 2. Now comes the most important part. As I have said earlier, we need to convert any one of the equation in terms of any one of the variables present in the equation. In this case, we need to convert any one of the equation in terms of either x or y. I am converting equation 1 in terms of x. One can do it in terms of y also, and someone else can do the same thing using equation 2 also. Thus, from equation 1, we will get our x as 7 minus 3y whole divided by 2. We will mark it as equation 3. The sign of variable changes with side change. We need to keep this thing in our mind. Then, we will put this value of x in equation 2 and equation 2 becomes 4 into 7 minus 3y by 2 minus 5y equals to 3. Solving this equation, we will get our y as 1. At this point, we see that minus 11y equals to minus 11. Both the negative signs will get cancelled among themselves and we will get our y as 1. You can see the whole solution on my screen. Now we can put the value of y in any of the previous three equations. I am putting it in equation 3. We know our equation 3 was x equals to 7 minus 3y whole divided by 2. Now when we will put the value of y equals to 1 in equation 3, we will get our x as 2. Thus, by solving the equations by substitution method, we are getting the values of x and y as 2 and 1 respectively. I will be uploading videos every week on such topics. If you like the contents, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. If you have any doubt, then please post them in the comment section. I will be answering them. Thank you.